So much time working that I didn't even realize his eyebrows are mini brows. So bushy. So it's day 5 of Slimming Diary, okay? So we're at Aquarius Hotel, Sentosa. We're gonna have a full day of just fun games and eating and eating and eating. So nothing but like. And the kid is watching cartoon. For dinner, right? First time I'm eating Monster Curry's curry. So this is super high in calories for sure. It's a Monster Curry for 2 at $27. So this one, do you bring the slimming drink? Okay, so this one is like a must to have the slimming candy, okay? Because this one, the calories is just crazy. This kid keeps saying he's not tired. So guys, does he look tired? Open eyes, big big. I prefer to have no six-pack and be a happy man eating Monster Curry. Flat tummy can really lah. Flat tummy is enough really lah. Why need six-pack right now? If having a six-pack means I'm going to miss out on this kind of stuff in life, right? No way. Almost all of it, oh my god. Ready for our slimming candy tonight?
Let's block all the sugar and fats from the meal. Let's go back drunk.
Welcome to Sentosa. This is day 6. Last night we had some alcohol, and then this morning we're gonna have some healthy breakfast. Fruits, coffee, juices, okay, bee-hoon with some nice looking chicken and siu mai, and western breakfast, and some pancakes for the kid that's along the way. You ask your grandpa lah, next time can you order. Okay, so we ended up eating way too much, and so we need the slimming candy once again. Ho! Yeah, I ate a lot of Jack's pancakes in the end. Oh my god. Okay, I'm in the hotel toilet. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff, okay? A bit safe. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. It's working. My goodness. Okay, stinks so bad. Anyway, let's check out the view here first, huh? Woo! Beautiful, beautiful! Doing a vlog outside over here. Slimming Diary Day 6 vlog. So you guys saw the amount of oil that came out in the toilet bowl, right? Okay, I must say I'm very shocked. You know, I did not expect that there will be so much oil coming out. I mean, in these 2 years, right, Jessie did give me other slimming pills. It was very messy, okay? Sometimes the oil comes up from the backside, just like that, with no warning, no control. But this one is very controlled. It's like only when you go to the toilet, everything comes out. I was very shocked at the amount of oil that came out, and so I asked Jessie, you know, how come yesterday we eat the same food, right? We take the same pills. We didn't bring the drink, we brought the pill. How come yours don't have? How come mine have? Then she said, oh, because she's been taking it for a longer period of time already. I don't really know what that means. I know what that means, but I don't really know why. I thought every day is a fresh amount of oil that she should have the same amount of secretion, so probably I'll ask her more later. But because I want to go to the gym now already, I am very shocked. And the thing is that, right, when everything came out, right, the smell is so pungent that, right, when I came out of the toilet, the bathtub, okay, Jessie's in the hot tub, the bathtub, and I also know, can you smell the smell? It so stinks. She said yes. I tell her, no, can you imagine all this oil and all that smell and all that? If we didn't take the pill, right, it would be digested into our body, you know, all this, I don't know, toxicity, all these toxics, and the things that restaurants put in our food just to make it taste nicer. I am very shocked and very disturbed. And I'm also very happy that all those things came out. I can't imagine if I continue taking this. I mean, I enjoy working out as much as I enjoy eating. That's why the tummy can never be flat. I mean, the muscles can come out in other parts, but generally the tummy will keep growing because I can't control my eating. If this really helps, right, with my eating, segregating all the oil, the fats, and the sugar, well, then I'll have the best of both worlds. I can work out, keep fit, build muscle, sculpt, S-C-U-L-P-T, the body, and yet I get to eat whatever I want. I think this will be the best of both worlds. I think the thing that I'm glad of is that after everything came out, right, yeah, there's a lot of oil in the toilet bowl, full flushes, and all the oil was gone, so there's no cleaning problems. The smell is something that makes me, it's the thing that's a bit like, made me feel like, wow, every day what are we eating, man? I think plus yesterday's Monster Curry, that one must have had so much oil and fat. She has been giving me all these things, but it's never as bad as what I saw today. That means yesterday's food that I ate was really, really bad. Wow. Anyway, Jessie has started me on this whole slimming drink and candy ever since we were in London. You know, you don't really know whether it's really working or really working or really working or not. You know, until today, I think I'm very much convinced. And Jessie did tell me that the drink, right, when you poop out, you won't see so much of the oil because it's all hidden within the poop. But the candy, right, you will see a lot of it. So if that's the case, right, then I'd rather go for the drink. I don't want to see so much oil in the toilet bowl. It looks a bit scary for me. But then again, right, without the oil, right, how do you know is it working or not working, right? So maybe maybe you guys could like take the candy first, see the results for yourself, then after that go for the drink. But it looks less messy when you go to the toilet. Anyway, I gotta go to the gym now. Heading to the gym now. Shall we begin? Empty gym as usual, yeah. When you go to any hotel, the buffet is always full house, the gym is always empty. Four different exercises for shoulders. So the first one was a dumbbell shoulder press, followed by lateral raises for shoulders. I don't even know what is this, what raises these are. It's just for here, okay? Traps. The one that I go to the front. Okay, the one for the front is to build your front shoulder muscles. 4 sets, 40 minutes, 10 minutes each. It is now 10 minutes per exercise. And that's all for shoulders by right. But because I'm feeling like I'm having a little bit more energy, I'm just going to do some machine presses. This machine, right, is so badly serviced and maintained that one side is actually heavier than the other. Another one, my left arm to be bigger than my right arm. Some pull-ups. Finish, chameleon. You come and go, you come and go. Okay, now Jack is somewhere in here. For our slimming vlog. This is Meme, and who's this? Uncle. Meme, Uncle. Meme, Uncle. It's 9:41 p.m. The night ended with 20 laps of swimming at 37 minutes. Good night. Now I think there's gonna be supper. Okay, so let's end off the night. It's 11 p.m. You guys notice that I have been eating supper almost every single night. Okay, yeah, so for tonight's supper is actually what our helper cooked for us, which is chicken. Very nice chicken, okay, so it's pretty semi-healthy, okay, kind of. And my protein powder. Because I've worked out a lot today, I would like to maintain a muscle mass. So let's enjoy, shall we? What kind of a slimming diary is it? Yeah, she says she's not proud of it, she's always eating. So I'm always eating and I'm always exercising. Who cares, right? Enjoy life, right? Exercise, take the slimming drink / sweet. Just keep eating and enjoying life. Good night, guys. Day 6 over. Okay lah, actually it's not that unhealthy lah. This is pretty clean meat, right? What kind of oil they use? I think maybe olive oil, I'm not sure. Carrots, onions, potatoes. So it's not as bad as it seems. And a lot of chicken to replenish more protein on top of my protein shake. Ikatakimasu, ikataimaya.